Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into today's session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for almost 4 years now. And what I do on my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much free information pertaining to price action. Especially, I give you guys information pertaining to any trading possibilities or opportunities that I am anticipating to take on the day. All right. So, if you guys are new to the channel, hello, welcome. Please do consider subscribing as we do live streams from Monday to Friday every single week. Especially if you like to, also get live updates, okay, pertaining to any trades that I may take after my live streams. I do share them time to time on my Instagram stories, which I also do have links in the description below. If that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax, and let's get right into today's session. Okay, so first off, today, I want to give you guys an update about yesterday, whereby we spoke about cryptocurrencies. I did not give you guys much of an opportunity yesterday because, like I said, I don't see much of an opportunity yesterday, but I do believe that overall price is wanting to move towards the upside. I even drew out targets that we potentially can be aiming for, but I did not recommend anybody to enter personally, even though the trade played out beautifully. You see, this was, let me go smaller time frame so you can see. Okay, so this was New York session yesterday. So we did make a slight move down all the way up to 11 o'clock. Then after that, we rallied all the way up to our first TP target. I'll be honest and I'll say it again, there is no entry opportunity personally, in my opinion only. Okay, so if you guys have entered, even though I said don't enter, okay, regardless, congratulations because it did go to TP. I did not enter, okay, but nevertheless, we did how to say understood the market bias whereby the market still has some form of interest to move towards the upside. So great job, guys. Okay, so that's for Dogecoin. Right now, after we take out this TP target, right, we are starting to see potential form of reversal. All right, so I did check other time frames. Right, to be honest, I cannot really identify a real potential reversal, but yes, we are starting to make a move towards the downside now. Okay, definitely we are starting to make a move towards the downside. If you guys are confused or maybe wondering, okay, fine, we're moving towards the downside, where can I potentially target next? Okay, so this TP target we don't have to how to say pay attention to it anymore because market already potentially is starting to move towards the downside. Let me draw a potential zone. Okay, this is the potential zone. So what we have to do right now, right, is essentially we have to wait for price to come back inside of this range. I mean, come back inside this range, and then if we start to see potential bears, okay, kick in, then we can potentially aim for this liquidity level here, this one right here. Sorry, guys. Uh, okay, we can aim for this one as well. Okay, again, guys, this is just an early bias. We also have to be very aware that today we have very impactful news. I did check it earlier. Yeah, unemployment claims today at around 8:30 p.m. So that's for USD lah. So let's see how the result will be today. I kind of predict that the unemployment claims will come out good for USD. Just because of how price action is actually playing out like in some pairs. But again, don't use my bias just because I said, oh, I think unemployment claims will be good. Then you guys go and put, oh, okay, buy everything for USD. Don't do that. Again, like I said, this is just based on price action, what I am able to understand. Okay. So far, I feel based on what price action showed me, the unemployment claims could come out good for USD. All right. I will show you guys later lah why lah. So at least you have a bit of an understanding. Okay, so ETH also went towards the upside because since we did analyze that, we understood the overall bias for cryptocurrencies is moving up yesterday. Even though there wasn't much an opportunity to enter, but still our bias was towards the upside, and then the second target has been taken out. So what I'll do, I'll remove these zones, okay, these levels. ETH, I cannot really see much of an opportunity yet because you can be, I mean, very obvious now. We are really very choppy, okay, almost a sideways momentum already after we take out certain TP range. So this means price is really collecting power, okay, to either make a powerful move towards the upside or downside. But since Dogecoin as of now, okay, we see things whereby price is kind of telling us he wants to move down. Alright, it cannot always be the sense the same for ETH, but let's see what ETH will do later because not enough of price action personally lah. Personally, not enough of price action. Let me just check bigger time frame. No, yeah, definitely not enough of price action for me. Even if you, what is this high? Let me check the high. 478. Sorry, 4786.54. This one 47888. Okay, so this actually went above already lah. 8886. All right. Okay, so we did have a small sign potentially that we want to make a move towards the downside for ETH as well. Okay, now I can see potentially we are seeing a small sign. If let's say we start to see banks kick in because like I said 8:30 we have unemployment claims, right? So very close by, it won't really affect that much because cryptocurrencies don't really rely on the how to say the forex news, okay, but sometimes I have seen impactful news also impact the crypto space. So just something to definitely keep an eye on for sure. Okay, so we do have TP targets here. Okay, we have TP targets here, but it's not very close by, so probably we can just aim for this. So since they all are low resistance liquidity, same one goes to here. Okay, and then let me see. Okay, yep. All right, roughly here, guys. Another target here. Okay, we can go even lower, lower, lower lah. But I think these three will be good enough for now. Okay, let me just check a bit more. Yeah, these three will be good for now. So basically, what we want to see is when price come back inside of this range, which it is right now, right? For us to really identify if bears are interested to come in the market or not. If yes, I may also enter today. Yesterday I didn't enter anything because I didn't find much of an opportunity, but I may enter the market today for potential selling opportunity. Maybe for ETH code, maybe lah. Let's see which one lah. Which one shows me better price action and price behavior. Then I will enter either ETH or Dogecoin. But let's see for Solana. How's that? Let's go through first. Okay, Solana is the same thing, guys. I'll update you guys. Yesterday when we analyzed the markets, right? Like of course now we said we are predicting the price is going up. There was no entry opportunity personally, and then yes, price went to take out our TP range, which is beautiful. So some square removes and not important anymore. Okay, so let me just have some understanding for what probably is happening right now. We did kind of currently making a move towards the downside. If you guys suddenly hearing purring sounds, don't be afraid. It is not the computer, it's my cat. My cat is right next to me right now. Okay, wait, okay, let me just mark out some stuff. All right. Oh, this is not one. This is the one even higher. Okay, Solana is not really showing much of a sign telling me that, hey, you know what, right now we really want to move towards the downside. Definitely, we did make some small adjustments, okay, for Solana, whereby we did show certain opportunities that we want to move down, but it's not the healthier version, if you would allow me to say that word, lah, in the sense of how personally I would like to see price react, especially when I start to see price really slowing down, slowing down, slowing down. Okay, this is not really very nice movements. Price are really very, very close by to each other. And if you see the power level, right, for this bearish candle, and then you see this bullish candle, and then you see this bearish candle, they are almost similar. Okay, this shows you that neither bears really are able to win, even though they are kind of pushing price down, and neither bulls are also able to win in this state. Okay, so there is definitely room for bulls to suddenly start kicking, or bears to really put in their power and then push price down. Definitely one of the two will be happening. So like I said, since I know like usually that forex news won't really impact much for the crypto space, but sometimes it does. And considering we have what, uh 22 minutes left, why not just wait? Okay, let's just see. But if in the sense we are really starting to move down, we do have TP levels here, we do have TP levels here. Okay, we also do have TP levels here resting around this area. This one, no, this one is not relevant. TP levels here. But personally, okay, if Solana I'm trading, I would just aim for these two because after that we start to see very powerful bulls kicking already. Again, I may be wrong. We could really move towards the downside, but nevertheless, I personally am more interested into Dogecoin and ETH. Maybe ETH more. So yeah, highlight ETH higher because I want to see later what am I able to see whereby if bulls will really start to kick in, or no, sorry, bears will really start to kick in, or no, yeah, you can see my cat is just talking to me. You want to say hi, is it? Say hi, hi. You guys can hear. Say hi. Yeah, okay, my cat say hi to you guys, huh? Okay, so let's go into the forex side of the story right now. Apologies, guys, I won't be sharing BTC because I do have a student which is in the evaluation phase right now. Okay, my personal evaluation, and then my student will be focusing also on BTC. That's why I cannot really share anything about BTC. It's part of all of the test phase lah. Okay, if you guys are interested to learn from me also, I do have a 6 week course whereby I take you guys from a journey, trading journey of my own personal experience for the past almost 4 years now. Everything compressed into 6 weeks. But when I say the word compressed, okay, don't feel that very important information is being left out. To be honest, very unimportant information is the one that's being left out. The reason why I took so long into finding success in trading is because of so many information out there where I thought if I learn every single one of them as much as I can, it will help me out. It didn't. It made me even more confused when I very first started to trade. So what I did was I filtered out everything that was unnecessary and only teach you what I personally am focusing on for over almost 2 years now. Okay, because I'm on this journey for almost 4 years, right? So if I reach 4 years, then 2 years already. Yeah, so it's been working for me very well. And also my student also, she said it's quite good. Okay, so that I'm actually very happy to hear that lah. So she's currently in the evaluation phase. So I do not want to share what my predictions is for certain pairings. Okay, I hope you guys understand. But if you really want to know, like Guna, I really want to know what BTC is going to do. Or Guna, I really want to know what is gold going to do. You just text me. Okay, you just reach out to my Instagram. You just let me know. Hey Guna, I came from your live stream. I know you don't want to share with your student, but what do you think BTC is going to do? I can just screenshot and send to you. Okay, I got do analysis regardless because I love doing analysis. I really love doing analysis. So no matter what, I will do analysis. I even post them on my Instagram story. So if you guys don't want to reach out also, you guys can consider following me on Instagram where I will also post on my stories. Okay, but I don't post the before. I will post before and after. I won't post like, okay, I think this is gonna happen, and then after a few hours I'll post because I know my students also see my Instagram and I don't want my buyers to affect their outcome. Okay, like what they are thinking, what they predict the market to move like. I don't want that to happen because trading is a journey, and it's a journey where we will actually find our own individual trader within ourselves. Okay, so that's my goal. Okay, so we'll be going to AUD USD guys right now. Actually, you know what? Before that, let's go into USD CAD. Okay, so this is why I'm kind of okay. First TP taken. This one don't worry, guys. This one I didn't share with you guys much yesterday. I actually did this analysis today. Okay, so this is why I'm kind of predicting that unemployment claims may come out good. Okay, for USD. Remember this word may. I could be wrong. because I'm seeing bulls starting to kick in the market within this range, and I'm seeing a form of interest whereby price actually wants to move towards the upside. It's not really only technical. Okay, guys, trading can never only be technical. You really have to understand also the fundamental side and then have it sync together with your technical analysis side. So what I understand so far is I see an interest, genuine interest, whereby price wants to move towards the upside. Especially this was happening from Asia session and then London session. Right now we are still aggressively moving up, as you can see, and this is pre-New York session, especially before the news. But again, I could be wrong. What could also happen? That's why I never enter trades, just because of what prediction show me. If news is nearby, I will wait. I just drop my prediction and then I will see. This could definitely happen. Price could really break below, and then we could potentially start to see a move towards the downside. Okay, this can definitely happen. So if this happen, let's say price breaks below, let's say the news came out bad for USD, okay, the price break below, I won't be really worried because I never enter anything yet. This is just predictions, that's all. So once the news play out already, I'll be able to find a proper entry opportunity either by today or tomorrow for me to actually enter the market comfortably. Okay, the reason why I can do this comfortably and why I've been doing it for almost 4 years really comfortably is because I only enter after certain things happen. Okay, guys, I may have to put you guys on pause for a while, okay, because I have to go and send a parcel, okay, just deliver a parcel, just nearby here only. You guys, what you can do, just look at the charts for me for a while, okay, just keep an eye on the charts for me. I will get back to you guys, okay? So you guys enjoy the music first, huh? Give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry. A bit delayed already. We went to send something to the Grab driver, okay, for a parcel. Okay, yep, as predicted, guys, the news for USD actually came out good today. So this is a live example that I can show to you guys, whereby not all the time. Please don't use this all the time. I did not enter anything just because price action told me there is a chance, okay, whereby it will come out good for USD just using USD CAD. I'm not saying only if you use USD CAD means you can analyze like this. It's not that. Okay. I also analyze other markets related to gold, okay, AUD, USD. They all kind of showed me what I want to see based on price action. And using those analysis, that's how I came out with a understanding that the outcome of the news today may be good. I still will say may be good. I'm not going to say proudly confirm I know already this is going to happen. That is never the case in trading. Okay, we are always predicting in trading. We just get very good at it. The more amount of time and effort we give to ourselves into the market. That's all. Personally, even though I told you guys we can potentially focus on buying opportunities, even though I label all of these targets, there was no entry opportunity for me because of this. Okay, news will just keep pushing the price. That's it. It's good to have an opportunity before the news, and also if price action tallies, where it tells you the probability of the outcome is like what we said today. I told you guys, I think USD will be good. The news came out good, but price set up himself, okay, in the sense whereby uh, it shows a probability that whereby we are going to make a move towards the upside, but it didn't really give me an opportunity to actually enter the market personally lah. Okay, so is this okay? Because I do have multiple targets, as you can see. So I will probably be focusing on those targets. So 80, okay, ADUC, so target taken out. I never get to speak to you guys about it lah before the move happened, but I did open the charts for a while. So if you guys can go and replay this live stream later to AD USD part, then you can see actually we were anticipating for sell, also because related to price action and all lah, and also the bias whereby we are able to use price action to kind of predict the outcome of the news. Okay, so that played very nice. Let's see ETH. Oh, this is what I mean. You see, we focus on sales, right? You see all the targets taken out already, guys. Let me see. Was there an opportunity here that I may have missed? No, 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 no. But amazing to see lah. I move all in accordance to everything. There, all the TP targets taken out, guys. Okay. So all of this is also captured live lah, for you guys to actually see. We did the predictions before the news, and then how actually the price played out. And this is also something I want you to take note of. Not necessarily, right? The news for forex side will usually affect crypto side, but sometimes in very impactful ones, it will. Okay, so this is a very good example also to share with you guys the wheel part. You see, today is unemployment claims, right? You saw it affect or not the cryptocurrencies. Let's go to Solana. Yeah, pretty good for move down. Yep, all the TP targets taken out. I won't be putting BTC, guys. I'm sorry. Because, like I said, I have a student where I want my student to really focus on it. Lah. Okay, so guys, I think I'll end the live stream here. TP teacher, thank you. Oh, congrats! Were you watching the live stream? Were you like watching the price when I told to watch? That's a good thing. Congrats to you. Yeah, I didn't enter anything lah. Okay, but definitely, oh, I cannot press gold. Ah, y'all forget about it. Cannot forget about gold. Y'all cannot see that. Okay, I want my student to focus on gold solely. All right, so guys, I think I end the live stream here lah. So this is a real life example whereby I gave you guys analysis before news actually came out. What was my understanding and where I predict price will be moving to, all based on price action. And you can see majority of them, actually all of them, okay. ETH taken out all of the TP. Dogecoin taken out all of the is dancing correct. You should dance. Taken out all the TP. Solana taken out all of the TP. AUD USD taken out the TP, and then USD CAD taken out the first TP. Okay, all of this will share to you live. If you guys are interested to learn how I'm able to analyze certain things, okay, like I said before, I do have a 6 week course whereby you guys will be able to do the exact same thing that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, everything all within 6 weeks time. Uh, it doesn't matter if you're a newbie, you have no experience in trading at all. Okay, to be honest, that would be better, because if you have some form of understanding, right? Sometimes it can confuse you, like, hey, but I learned this one, I learned this one. So I think Bruce Lee was the one. He has a very nice quote whereby he said, empty your cup first before something something lah, something but empty your cup lah. Okay, wait lah, I find it for you. Bruce Lee quote. There we go. Quote: empty cup, empty your mind, empty your cup. Yeah, we go. Yeah, empty your cup so that it may be filled. Okay, so that is a very famous quote by Bruce Lee, not mine. Essentially, what it means is that if you want to learn something new, you cannot come to learn with it with understanding of what you think you're about to learn already. You have to come with it as a blank mind. Okay, that's essentially what I had to do after I learned too many things and it never helped me at all. I literally just tried to forget everything I learned and then start from scratch again. That was the only thing that helped me. So if you guys are interested to learn, it doesn't matter if you have experience, if you don't have experience, also it doesn't matter. My course is actually applicable to everyone. But the most important thing is you must have passion. Okay, if you don't have passion in trading, no matter what I teach you guys, you're not really able to learn it, guys. Okay, so that's the only thing I really ask for. If you guys are interested, there are links in the description whereby you can reach out to me to my WhatsApp or my Instagram page. Just let me know you're actually from YouTube and you're actually interested to find out more details about the course. I'm more than happy to get back to you guys. Okay, so I'll end the live stream here. I wish you all such an amazing and beautiful rest of the day. Stay safe, traders. I'll catch you all on the next one.